For PC builders who value clean airflow, smart layout, and solid thermal performance, the NZXT H9 Flow RGB Plus is worth considering. This dual-chamber mid-tower separates your PSU and drives from the main components, which not only improves cable management but also helps your system run cooler, especially during long sessions. Compared to the original H9, this updated version offers better airflow with a redesigned angled front panel, support for back-connect motherboards like Asus BTF, and more room overall. It comes with 3 pre-installed RGB fans, 2 140mm f420 core fans in the front right and 1 120mm f120 in the rear, and an RGB control hub for lighting customization via the associated software. The wraparound tempered glass provides a clear view of your build, while internal space supports large GPUs and up to 420mm radiators on the top and front. With room for 10 fans and thoughtful features like wide cable channels, removable filters, and Velcro straps, it's well suited for high-end air or liquid-cooled setups. It also includes 1 USB-C, 2 USB-A, and a combo audio jack. If you're planning a build with a back-connected motherboard, the Cooler MasterBox 600 is one of the most practical cases to consider, and it comes in under $100. Designed around the new wave of rear connector boards from Asus and MSI, it simplifies cable management and gives the front of your build a clean, uninterrupted look. It supports GPUs up to 410mm, CPU coolers up to 170mm, and PSUs up to 170mm in length, giving you flexibility for powerful hardware. 140mm sickle flow PWM fans handle cooling at the front and a 120mm fan at the rear, offering strong airflow right out of the box. The fine mesh front panel improves cooling efficiency by allowing more air without obstruction, while support for radiators up to 420mm makes it ready for high-performance setups. With smart airflow, modular flexibility, and support for oversized fans, the Corsair Frame 4000 DRS is a mid-tower case built to keep powerful systems cool and clutter-free. Its steel and tempered glass construction is complemented by a 3DY pattern front panel, designed to optimize airflow while maintaining a clean aesthetic. 3 fans come pre-installed at the front, with lighting easily controlled through your motherboard's ARGB connector. The frame modular case system allows you to swap out components like the motherboard tray or the input-output panel as your needs evolve. The InfiniRail fan mounting system adds extra flexibility, letting you adjust fan positions precisely. It supports up to 200mm fans in the front and 140mm on the top. The internal side panel can double as a cable cover or a mount for additional fans. The Lian Li-O11 Vision Compact ATX is another top case compatible with a variety of motherboard sizes, including ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX. It brings top-notch airflow and clean aesthetics to a smaller footprint without sacrificing flexibility. It supports back-connect motherboards for a clutter-free front and comes with both mesh and glass top panels, letting builders choose airflow or style. Fan and radiator support is versatile, including a smart AIO tube routing system that keeps the build ultra-clean. With support for full-size GPUs and a handy GPU anti-sag bracket, this case is purpose-built for clean, high-performance setups. Thoughtful cable pass-throughs and removable panels make building straightforward and tidy. Here's another NZXT case worth your attention: the H7 Flow 2024. This mid-tower brings smart design and strong performance without overcomplicating the build process. It comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm front fans and supports 3 more at the bottom, delivering direct GPU cooling while keeping a compact footprint. Mesh panels on the front and top improve ventilation and help filter out dust. There's room for serious liquid cooling too, with radiator support up to 420mm in the front and 360mm on top. Toolless panels, wide cable channels, and built-in straps make building neat and stress-free. It also supports multiple storage options and keeps the PSU installation simple. The Corsair 3500X offers a stunning wraparound glass design that lets you showcase your build from every angle. It supports everything from Mini ITX to E-ATX motherboards, giving you plenty of flexibility. Cooling won't be an issue either, with mounting points for up to 10 120mm fans across the sides, top, and PSU area. Out of the box, you get 3 high-performance RS-120 fans that deliver strong airflow and customizable lighting through your motherboard's ARGB header. Plus, it's designed to work seamlessly with reverse connection motherboards from Asus and MSI, keeping cables tucked away for an ultra-clean look. Want a walnut frame PC case? The Lian Landcool 217 blends style and performance with real wood accents, available in dark walnut or light beech. Finishes for a natural, refined look. It comes with 5 pre-installed fans, including large 170mm front fans and reversed blade rear fans, ensuring strong airflow for both your CPU and GPU. Dual PSU mounting and flexible fan placement help keep cable management clean and cooling efficient. The Height Y70 is one of the most expensive and premium PC cases on the market, boasting a sleek, modern design available in multiple unique colors. Its standout feature is a stunning 3-piece panoramic glass with a dual-chamber interior, showcasing up to 4 vertical GPUs with a luxury PCIe 4 riser. With massive cooling options, including support for thick radiators and cold floor fans, plus thoughtful details like reusable Velcro straps and toolless panels, the Y70 offers an unmatched build experience. The Montech King 65 Pro sets a new standard for budget dual-chamber cases. By housing the power supply and cables in a separate chamber, it keeps your main build clean and well-ventilated, both visually and functionally. 3 pre-installed ARGB fans provide effective cooling and vibrant lighting right out of the box, while mesh panels ensure optimal airflow. Supporting full-size GPUs, multiple SSDs, and featuring toolless glass panels, this case offers a perfect blend of practicality, style, and affordability. To conclude, we have the Fractal Design North XL, a full-tower case that blends elegance with airflow. With refined wood and alloy details, it brings a premium touch to any setup. It supports E-ATX motherboards, GPUs up to 413mm, and radiators up to 420mm in the front or 360mm on top. 3 pre-installed 140mm aspect PWM fans offer a solid cooling foundation right out of the box. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the NZXT channel.